Today we're going to explore the dashboard in Striven. There are two views to the dashboard, and each view gives its own unique feel to things that you've been working on within Striven. The first view is called the Recents screen, which we have in front of us here. The Recents shows the top 5 results that you viewed for specific entities, such as customers, contacts, vendors, projects, tasks, and much more. The Recents will show you your top 5 results for things you viewed, and there's also pinning available to keep an entity on the list without cycling through your recently viewed. On the right hand side you have Up Next, which shows your up next appointments, milestones, and tasks. If anything is in black font, that means that it's upcoming. If it's in red font, that means it's past due. You can add, subtract, or move around widgets by clicking the Manage Recents icon on the right. By clicking this, a pop-up will appear, and you can toggle on specific topics that you'd like to track. You can also rearrange the topics by dragging and dropping, and you'll see the dotted line will show where these will land. You can also turn on numbers for your customers and vendors simply by clicking. If you need to remove a widget, you can simply choose the Delete or Trash Can icon to remove it. These can always be added again simply by clicking the arrow in which direction you'd like to add them. By clicking Close, your Recents list will update automatically, and then you can scroll down and see the changes. Each widget also has the ability to add new things. So for instance, if I wanted to add a new opportunity or a new candidate, a new sales order, and by hovering over certain things, you'll get quick links. For instance, I can see who has viewed the recent purchase order and share the purchase order with other internal users of my system. For projects, I can view a burn down report for each project, and each certain topic will have different functions available just by hovering over. You can also remove something from your recents by choosing the Hide button, and that will hide the result from your recents. The next view is called the Custom Dashboard. And here you can determine what widgets you want to add and how to customize to see exactly what you want on your dashboard. To add widgets, simply click the green Add Some Widgets button. Here you can do the same thing we saw on the Recents. By clicking on the arrows, you can add the widgets to what side you want to add them on. As you add your widgets, you can go down and click Close, and your dashboard will update automatically for you, as seen here. You can add one widget more than once, and this will help you filter for things that you want to see with each widget. For instance, if I have 2 My Staff widgets, I can choose the gear icon to edit what I want to filter for. So here I can see employees who report to me, or I can show employees who are in my hierarchy and click Save. I can then come over to this other widget and change my filters here to show all employees. I can even change my widget color and the name of the widget as well. By clicking Save, the name will update, and so will your results. Widgets on the custom dashboard will have different views and functionality than your recents. For instance, when viewing employees, you can see their title, division, any team they're on, their user roles, their manager, their email, and we even have specific icons below to view certain things like their calendar, their bio, their email, or send a new message. Tasks you can filter as well, and you even have quick links to send a new message or mark as done. Each widget has their own set of filters and can narrow down your results for whatever you're currently working on, and to make your custom dashboard all your own.